Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, November the 10th, 2023. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So this one will be the last one for today. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku number 7427. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. I do not know if this is a hard one or an easy one, but the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one, but I don't think it's a hard one. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you in this puzzle. Do we have here single boxes? Yeah, single boxes. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Can't see any dual boxes here. Triple boxes then. We have here triple box, there triple box. Well, this triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. I need to wait. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay, here. This triple box. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. Let me mark those. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5, 4 and a 5. But also the other side, here, this side, near the middle box, the box near the middle box, 4 or a 5. But it can't be a 5 anymore. We have a 5 there, so it should be a 4 then. Alright. Then the following question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. No quadra boxes here. That means that the following strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions, whatever you name it. For the shape, the first shape that you need to recognize here. Let me draw this. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright, the T shape. Here, another T shape. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 3 here. And in that case, it's a 5 here. Alright. More T-shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's the 3 here. Alright. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. And more of these kind of shapes. No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Oh, let me draw this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright. It's the same shape. But it's mirrored. We did that one. Mirrored or flipped to the other side. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah. So this box has the same number as that box. And do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape then? Let me draw the L. Oh, let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape upside down, this is the L shape upside down. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Oh, overlook this L shape. It's rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5. I believe the Z or the S construction is missing here. But it's no problem. Yeah, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. For numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then let me see. These are 3 boxes. So 1 and 4 can be a 4. That box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. These are 3 boxes. So 1 and 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Well, and now, this box can be 4. That box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. For numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. This box can be 5. That box can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Alright. And now. Now. Let me see. We go up. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Come on. These 3 boxes. So the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 1, this box can be 3, so the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair in this triple box, so 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 2 there, we already have a 2 here, so not a solution to place the 2 there, the only place left for the 2 should be there, so the 4 and the 5 are left. And is connected with that box should be also 4 and 5. But we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. And I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. So now we have a pair, the 1 and the 3. Alright. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Need to wait. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be 5, this box can be 2, so the 2 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 3 and 1, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Well, these two boxes can be 3, but also that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay, then, yeah, let me see, 2, 5, well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, yeah, I need a 2 here, okay, let's go to this side. Well, this box, well. 3, 5, 1. Well, I need to wait. We need to wait here. 4 and 5. Well, I've marked those two boxes with a 2, but we already have a 2 here. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there, and no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be here. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. We go there. Up. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for number 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 5 there because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 supposed to be here and the 4 goes here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also, is a 3, okay. A 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely 1, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finish in 50 minutes. Wow. 1 star. No, 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Let me give this 2 stars. Not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. It's a weekend. And have a great and fantastic Friday.